peeling a little low, but it's okay. Guys, see, I'm just loving my skin. Like, see, I'm not really that type that used to have skin problem. See, I'm not really used to those people that really have skin problem, which I'm really grateful for. There used to be a time when my face is always very, very clear without any spots, very bright. Amore, hold on. See, hold on.
Okay.
So, and even without me using any products, guys, but it started changing. But I know it's hormones change anyway. When it's getting to those once in a month moments or period, when you got to be feeling you as a woman, and then I noticed that if you just come out, those tiny ones, very tiny, and those ones are killing me in Wachuku. They are very tiny but very powerful. So they usually, if it comes, and they're very painful, and then when it goes, you just leave me with all these kind of black spots. But I'm beginning to take care of it now. I see that it's having effect, and my skin is glowing. Please ignore this. This thing here. My lips are peeling, which I don't know the reason why. But anyway, that bygone. Hi guys. Welcome to another vlog. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So welcome to another beautiful day with me, and I'm just getting up from the bed anyway. Not really getting up. It's impossible for me to get up at this very particular time. I went to bed very late last night, very, very late. In fact, I barely slept for 5 hours. But I'm up already because the twins are home as well. All what is happening here in Italy, but it's okay. Hopefully they're going to be going back to school tomorrow, and so right now I'm awake, I've cleaned up, and I'm just going to do 1 or 2 things, and then I'll be going to our open market to have an open market. An open market where you can just go get what you want. I'm going there for fruits, since that's what I usually go there for, fruits and veggies. So I'll be going there later on, and you guys, welcome to another vlog. Okay? Yes, love. Cosa? No boy in pajamas.
No.
Is that boy?
You are not.
Cosa?
Just pay back.
Pay back.
No, pay back. Pay back. No. Papa, mommy, you are Spider-Man.
Cosa?
You are Spider-Man. No.
Spider-Man? You want Spider-Man? You don't want Spider-Man?
No.
Should we put Chuchu TV?
No.
You don't want Chuchu TV?
No.
Then what do you want? I don't know that one. Give me. Share with your brother now. Give me the remote. You see me? Yes, you see me. Lele, what is going on? Ellery, take the hands away. Take the hands out of your mouth. What is happening? Yes, but you can share with your brother. Where are the rest? Go and get the rest. Okay. Amore? Okay. No? You said no? You are not a good boy. Guys, this is the thing. Whenever they are home, they complain and they cry and the settlements and everything. It never ends. Oh. Bobby has cleared this place for me. Oh. So because I was in bed, he was the one that attended to the kids this morning. So the big boys, Michael and Martins. You can see they made some milk, and tea. Yeah, and he has cleared this place. He really washed up all these things. Okay, since he has done that for me, let me just get ready for problem. What is it? Take that hand out. What is it?
Because of farming.
Huh?
Because of farming.
No, boy, Esther. You can't be hungry by now. You just had your breakfast. You can't be hungry, please. That's not how to eat, okay? You're going to eat later, okay? When it's time, Mama will give you, okay? In between meals. But not now, okay? So guys, since my hubby has already taken care of this kitchen, because that's what I was coming to do before, but he has, and I'm just gonna get ready and go to that open market so that I can go and get the things I need. Yeah. Amore, what is it? No, boy, yesterday. It can't be. No, it can't. It can't be. None of that. With which mouth are you going to eat the food?
Yeah.
Which mouth? Which mouth? Let me see your mouth. Where is your mouth? Ah. Don't form. Guys, hi. So I'm heading out now. I'll just go straight to that place. Once I get the things I want to get, I'll come back straight away. I don't have any other place to go to, and even if I have, yeah, I was supposed to go to a house decor shop to get some certain things. Amore, please hold on. But I'm not gonna go there now. Maybe that will be another day. So guys, for now, let me just head over there, and I'll be seeing you guys later, maybe when I'm back or later on, okay? Yeah. Hey guys, so I am back now, and I've already made lunch as well. I'm going to show you guys what I prepared, and I'm going to show you guys the things I got also from the open market. Thank you very much. Oh, Ezibodim. I'm telling you, like seriously. Hey, so guys, like I showed you guys the food, and these are the veggies I bought. Yeah, from looking at it, you guys will see that I got a lot of pepper. I really need them. So, and I got this one too. I got this. This is a decaffeinato naturale. So that's what I've been taking for quite some time now. Not too much cafe. It's without cafe, but it's very good. At times when I just take too much of cafe, it gives me some restless time. So I kind of switch to this, and once if I'm getting tired of this one as well, and then I go back to cafe or even tea. So I got this parsley, and then I got my blended ginger that I used to use to cook has finished. So I got some more, and then I got some potato that we're going to use to eat this night. So guys, see, the food is already before the chawago already. You can see. Once we cook, we clear the plate. Yes. So I'm going to try and clear this place now. Okay.
You have your barriers high. 'cause you don't know you're one of a kind. You don't wanna let me in, don't wanna be let down. You fear if you let this be, I won't be around. I see the fear in your eyes when we talk about being just you and I know that you've been hurt before, and you don't wanna go near the flames and get burned again. You know that I see you, and I still want you, and I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances. You know that I see you, and I still want you, and I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances. Whoa, whoa. You have a beautiful soul, and I don't wanna let her go. But you don't wanna let me in, don't wanna be let down. You fear if you let this be, I won't be around. I see the fear in your eyes when we talk about being just you and I know that you've been hurt before, and you don't wanna go near the flames and get burned again. Oh, you know that I see you, and I still want you, and I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances. You know that I see you, and I still want you, and I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances. This can't go on forever. The time limit, we're approaching it. Are you really okay with me going away, finding somebody new, someone on the same page as me? Even though we've seen what this could be, you know that I see you, and I still want you, and I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances. You know that I see you, and I still want you, and I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances.
Hi guys, so I am done. Usually I don't put any color on my nails. Like when I fix nails, I kind of like prefer them white like that. So but for the purpose of this video, you know, just to topping things a little bit, you can see I worked with the simplicity at its best. So so I am done guys, and at least let me see how long this is going to take me. I didn't do anything much, and that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing and turn on the post notification for more videos, and I'll be signing out, and I'm going to be seeing you guys soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Ciao.